dear. Did you take my picture?
No, you're on camera. What are you eating for dinner?
Garden peas and a sandwich. Why?
Well, you didn't tell the camera what you're eating for dinner.
Move there.
Look at the same dummy.
Mm-hmm.
The same thirsty looking dummy. Dad.
Well, this is a good girl. Move there. Getting chilly. Is it coming on? Huh?
No. Don't give Dad nothing.
Why?
Because she's bad, and that's why she begged.
She's not bad.
Yes, she is. Now you're going to clean it next time she has an accident. You think I'm playing, and I'm really not.
That's good you put them pillows up in time. I don't know what the weather's going to do tonight. Move there. Move there.
I don't know why you don't just hit her.
Mm-mm. I'm going to pick my little girl. No. No.
Stop giving her stuff. You two, that's exactly why she is that way. She's greedy and thirsty.
What about you, dear?
Say something to the camera. Say something to the camera.
I don't want to do the touch off the tail. I'm eating. I ain't studying the camera. Are you there? Hmm?
You and Dad are not going to say nothing to the camera?
We eat, not we dare. Well, winter time is coming. take your picture over there. Oh.
If I were you, I would hit Dez in the face. Every time she pushed my arm, I just hit her in the face.
No. That's a good one here.
She's bad. Now, nobody does that to Dez when she's eating. We let her eat in peace. She just sits with her old hot mouth.
I'm swabbing. Move. Move, Dad. Move. You're swabbing on me.
Yep, you had to give her that turkey, so she's still gonna be there. If you would not give her anything, she would have left and went. Nope, now she's gonna keep standing by it. I don't know why you keep giving her stuff. And you don't have to clean up after her on a walk. It's embarrassing. Can't get up that soft stuff. Dad, you are really sad.
Dad is a good little girl.
She's sad and she acts stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she does.
You still getting her hair done tonight?
Yeah.
Ain't no more of those cookies here. Hmm?
What cookies?
You know. Move, Dad. Mm. Mm.
You farted.
Goodness sake, you can feel like an eagle.
She doesn't eat chocolate. Do not say that again. I keep telling you to stop saying that. People are going to think you're dumb.
Chocolate has caffeine.
No, it does not have caffeine in it. People drink hot chocolate before bed and they go to sleep fine. Chocolate does not have caffeine in it. I keep telling you to stop saying that. You're going to say that out. And people are going to think you're stupid.
You need to read on that so you know.
Chocolate does not have caffeine in it. I drink hot chocolate before bed and I sleep fine. It don't have no caffeine in it. She got a chocolate cookie. Look at her. I keep telling you to stop saying that. I'm trying to help you out so people don't think you're stupid.
Out of my way.